Hi friends, you looked in my hands those stock roots of mango plants. The age should be about 3 months to 1 year. So such type of a root stock you have to take, and we are today going to do this process of multi-stock grafting. What is multi-stock grafting? Number of, you can say, seedlings stock with roots are joined to the one stock of mother plant, that is called multi root stock grafting. So what should be the height of that multi stock seedlings? Their, you can say, height should be, stem should be about 10 centimeter long. Now we have cut the bark of this, you can say, branch. The branch circumference is about more than thumb size. You can even do it on hand type, you can say, branch also. So that mother plant should be quality plant, by which you can get such type of a quality fruit in future. The plant which I am using for grafting, multi-stock grafting purpose is of Bombay green. Last year I attached here Bombay green cyan. Already you have seen the symbol or groove of that joint part, and before that joint part we have taken out, you can say, such type of a bark. The length between that two rings, two circular rings, should be about 4 to 5 centimeter. You have to cut two rings, give two rings on the branch by keeping distance between them of 4 to 5 centimeter. And after cutting two rings, understand, we have to give vertical cuts from top to bottom rings, and such a way we have taken out that total bark. The cut should not be more deep. That cut should be about, you can say, bark's width, by which that hardwood should not be cut more. Now we have to tie one polythene, not too much tight, but slightly tight, only for holding these, you can say, 4 to 5 centimeter, you can say, one side cut stalk. Now we are cutting stalks such a way. One side there is taproot already, and above taproot we have to leave 3 to 4 centimeter distance, and after 4 to 6 centimeter distance we have give cuts of 4 to 5 centimeter. Consider how much cut we have to give one side cut to the root stocks. Whatever, you can say, bark we have taken out from the branch where we are doing grafting, that same cut should be, same length cut should be given on the root stocks for fitting purpose there. Now those who are, you can say, new, you can say, viewers, this is my humble request to all of you to subscribe my channel. Already there has given subscribe word, you have to click it, or there is bell icon, you have to click it, then automatically it will be subscribed by you, and new notifications will be available on your mobile. So please subscribe it. Now we have inserted total, you can say, 10 to 15, you can say, root stocks by cutting one side of cut should be of, you can say, that much size of that, you can say, bark which we have taken from the, you can say, branch. That size should be taken into consideration. By measuring you have to give cuts for better, you can say, fitting. Now as you have you can say, temporarily you can say, winded one plastic there for fitting purpose of all the root stocks. Now though you will not, you can say, unwind it, you can cover it by these you can say plastic tape or the plastic strips. This plastic strip should be of 52 microns. Even you can use other you can say plastic also. From top to bottom you have to start it, but tightly you have to tie total part from top to bottom, which is about of 4 to 5 centimeter in length. You have to touch total top portion of root stock which you cut, that should touch to the upper part cambium portion. For that you have to push upward direction, that top portion should touch the bark of upper part. Now wind this plastic from top to bottom tightly, airtight, it should be airtight, understand. And if you are not satisfied, you can even tie it with plastic after polythene wrapping. Now you have to take such type of a plastic rectangular in shape, which is rectangular in shape, and joined. Two men are required for this process. Now join that outer you can say part such a way that should means you can say be just like pocket, and you have to tie this lower part tightly. No water should or no vapor should come out from bottom part, such a way you have tightly you can say tie it. Now from all the roots are now inside, and the roots if roots are you can say more in length, so you can cut them up to you can say the roots should not be more than 10 centimeter long. The lengthy roots should be cut by you, and other you can say fiber roots are with them, so such type of fiber root should be cut. No fiber root should be with tap roots. Tap roots have capacity to grow on their own. Now keep or fill total polythene bag with coco peat. Coco peat should be wetted or moistured, and with the coco peat you can mix 20 to 30% vermicompost or compost. Now tie above mouth of that polythene, by which no air will be permitted or no moisture will be permitted to come out from the top part also. Such a way this wetted or moistured coco peat is inside with compost. And now for compact purpose or airtight purpose, you have to wind plastic 3 to 8 times tightly, or you can use even plastic wire also, you can use cotton wire also, and tight. So such a way you have to wind airtight total coco peat, and after 60 days you will get the result, mean roots will grow and total part will attach to that cut part. And dear friends, before cutting or detaching this part, you have to give after 60 days half cut, 50% cut to the lower part of that branch, and after again 5 days you have to give 50% cut, and after 5 days you have to totally cut that part.